Okay, so this is a quick unboxing of the iPhone XS Max 512 gigabytes. So anyways, I got this for a trade, and this is a brand new box, and now opening to see what is inside. So let's see what we have. So let's open the cover up, and this is probably a manual. As you can see, a brand new iPhone XS Max. Wow, it looks fantastic, you have to admit. So what other thing do I have in the box? So this is of course the charger, a USB charger, probably 2 amps, I'm not sure, I will check it later. And this is the headphones, wired, not wireless, but I have also the how do you call it, the iPod or something like this. So this is like all brands of iPhone earphones. Maybe the size is a little smaller, I'm not sure, but other than this, it looks exactly like other models of the earphones. And of course the cable, the charging cable. Let's see if there are other things beneath this case. No, I think no other things. So again, this is the iPhone itself, a charging USB cable, headphones. Sorry for the focus, let's fix it. Okay, so now we are on focus. Yes, now we are on focus. Okay, so the headphones, the iPhone itself, charging cable. Let's see if it power up, if the battery come pre-charge or I have to charge it. So I'm trying, and wow, it is with some amount of charge. So the Apple logo, and by the way, there are covers all over the back size, the front size, the LCD, and probably I will keep them till of course I will put a glass protector. Okay, so this is all. You have to set it as a new iPhone and then you're ready to go. That's all. Hope you enjoy, and thank you, and bye bye.